ask you something. When was the last time you actually felt amazing? Not just okay, not just functioning, but truly alive, clear-minded, energized, and completely in control of your body. If you're watching this, chances are you're tired of feeling sluggish, frustrated with stubborn weight, or just done with trying every diet that promised the world but leaves you hungry and miserable. I get it, guys. Here's the truth. Your body isn't the problem. The problem is what you've been told about food, metabolism, and how your body actually works. Before I get going, I'm Colleen the coach, and I'm here to help you live your best life, all while loving the food you eat because it's nutritious, it's trustworthy, and it works for you, not against you. Around here, we only talk about what's good for you while you reach your health goals. No gimmicks, no toxic fads, just real, powerful strategies that will work for you guys. And this is your game changer. Okay, today we're going to talk about the truth about fat cells and detoxing. Your fat cells aren't just sitting there taking up space, they're hoarding toxins. Every time you eat processed junk, inhale city air, or slather on chemical-filled skincare, your body's like, yikes, let's just store this in your fat cells for later. Okay, guys, but spoiler alert, later never comes, right? And that's why most diets just don't work. You lose weight, but you don't detox. So you're left feeling, not so great, right? Okay, that's where the 10-day rezone diet comes in. This is a full body reset. It kicks fat burning into overdrive and it flushes out those toxins that are holding you right back. Okay, so guys, I know what you're thinking. Intermittent fasting? Isn't that just another starvation diet? No, not even close, guys. Intermittent fasting is the cheat code to life. It's like hitting the refresh button on your entire body. And here is how it works, okay? The fat burning on overdrive. Your body starts using stored fat for fuel. Boom, we have weight loss, guys. Cellular detox mode. Fasting triggers autophagy, also known as your fat cells throwing a house cleaning party, okay? Hormone balance. Insulin chills out, okay? Your metabolism fires up and inflammation takes a backseat. Mental clarity and energy boost. No more post-lunch crashes. You'll feel like a superhero minus the cape. Choosing the right fasting method, guys, this is super easy. Let me help you with this. The best part, intermittent fasting, we can customize it, okay? You don't have to jump straight into a 24-hour fast. You can start where you are comfortable and you can level up as you go. Okay, beginner friendly, the 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and you eat in an 8-hour window. Simple and easy. Okay, guys, the 18-6 method for you intermediate guys. You fast for 18 hours and you eat in 6. This is great for faster results. Okay, the 24 method for you advanced guys. You fast for 20 hours and you eat in a 4-hour window. Okay, guys, the 5-2 method, flexible fasting. Okay, eat normally for 5 days, then you restrict your calories for 2. Perfect if you need some flexibility, guys. Okay, and how the 10-day rezone diet makes it so easy for you. I know starting something new can feel overwhelming. What do you eat? How do you handle cravings? What if you mess up? That's why this book is the ultimate guide. It takes the guesswork out of fasting as well, okay? Meal plans, check. Delicious, nutrient-packed recipes, checked. Science-backed hunger hacks, check. Okay, everything you need to succeed right here in this book. Okay, and this is more than a diet, guys. It's literally a movement, okay? This isn't just about losing weight. It's about getting your body back on your side. It's about waking up energized, thinking clearer, and actually feeling good again, guys. The 10-day rezone diet is about reclaiming your health. It's not just like any old diet. It's about reclaiming your life and feeling 100% fantastic in 10 days. Okay, and it's launching any day now, guys. Guys, what to do next? Okay, step number 1, subscribe at CarleneTheCoach.net to get launch updates, okay? Connect with me, I mean it. Step number 2, get ready to transform your body, your mind, and your life with this. And step number 3, high five yourself because your glow up starts now, okay? Let's connect and grab your freebies, guys. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But wait, I have 2 free gifts for you. First, I'll offer a free lifestyle assessment. Again, the link is in the content below. So take me up on this offer, guys. I love to connect with you. And second, last week I released a free Rezone eating maintenance plan where you can build your own meals each day with delicious, healthy recipes. Okay, and if you would like a copy, here's how to get it. You drop a comment below telling me your biggest struggle with weight loss, fasting, or even detoxing, and that's it. I will personally DM you for your email address and I will send you a copy of the plan myself. Okay, I want to hear from you, okay? What's your biggest challenge? Is it cravings? Is it hunger? Is it social situations? Let's talk about it, guys, and comment below, okay? And I'll hook you up with the free guide. Your transformation starts now. So let's get going. Thank you, guys. Catch you next week for more tips on how to feel amazing and reach your goals. Ciao for now, guys.